Hello, hello. Oh, sick. I got this little stabilizer thing, so I'm trying to see if I can show you it. I like all the. All right. Anyways, I'm not even sure if I'm doing this stuff right, but I'm gonna do a little trade recap for you guys. Today, how can I flip the camera? I'm just gonna cut it right here and show you guys after. All right, guys. So I'm gonna be going over a little trade recap that we did over today. I already did my journal. Oh shoot! I'm telling y'all, I'm trying to figure out how to use it stabilize. All right, let me see. I messed it up. There you go. I think I got it. Yeah. Anyways, I took this little trade today on SPY. Where's my Discord? Ended up selling these for around 200% profit. So I'll show you guys what I was looking for when the day started. When the day started, I was on the 5-minute time frame. I kind of had to wait a little bit till I saw a better entry. These are pictures from my phone, so just letting you guys know these are pictures from my phone. This is what I was looking at for. I was looking for SPY price to fill out these lows, and you can see the after right here, which it did. Once it got to that level, I was up around 90% profit, and then I figured if price, I told them in the chat right here what I was looking for exactly. So in the chat earlier, I was telling them that I was kind of looking for price to break below this 650 level. And I figured if price broke below that level, then we would continue to sell off. So I said need to see price break below. Otherwise, we'll see price bounce. So we saw price break below that level. And this is kind of the result of that. This little trade, this is around where I sold, and I sold here for around 200% profit. So basically what I was looking for, since SPY was already at all-time high, I'll go on a larger time frame so you guys can see. SPY made an all-time high already on the overnight pre-market or after hours, whatever you like to call it. We spiked up here pre-market to make a new all-time high, and I figured if we came below 653, we would most likely come to retest the previous all-time high level, and maybe come to retest the all-time high level before that one at 649, 650. So I figured we'd pull back to the previous all-time high after I noticed that price started to break below this stronger resistance level at 650. Let's see, I was looking around 653. I was looking to enter around that level because I was on the 5-minute. So I entered here, and then kind of came back. I was down a little bit right there. I took some partials right there at around 50%, and then he just kind of came back, making new lower lows and higher lows, until we eventually broke below this resistance level I was looking for. It kind of struggled to break below this 652 level. After we broke below that, we kind of came to after we broke below that level, we pulled back to retest that same level we broke below, and came back down for another sell-off right there. And I sold around here for 650 for around 200% profit. So that was kind of my trade for today. Not the best setup, or I'm sorry, it was a decent setup, but I had a pretty bad entry because I had to go through all of this consolidating area. I could have probably waited to see if price would have came down to this resistance level right here, this stronger resistance level. I think we could have got a nicer play right there, but it is what it is. We still got a really good play. I'm happy with what I got. So yeah, next trade.